Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about EOS and some news about rebranding. Let's dive in. All right, guys, yesterday I posted in Telegram my thoughts about the rebranding. So for me, it looks like when some project, which long time period on the market, build something, work hard on something, when they rebrand the ticker name and change some vision of the token. For me, it's kind of weird because just basically a year ago, EOS changed the roadmap, changed basically the tokenomics, and they already made some big changes. So big changes which should lead the project to the moon, develop some crazy tech solutions, right? But the charts never lie. It's not a fight about the EOS, guys. No. But for me personally, like I always explain to you, everything what we see in the media on the website of this project, it's just marketing. So take a look. This article about the Vaulta, they rebranded to brand new like token, I guess. Redemption will be by end of May, I guess. And take a look, a new era of finance begins. The time has finally arrived. After years of building the foundations behind the scenes, what began as EOS network is about to redefine the banking landscape. This is what exactly the team working hard all last 7 years. So guys, for me personally, it's kind of weird. It's really weird. What exactly do you develop it in the last 7 years? What? Any real use case? Some utility? What people use in real life? EOS? Basically not. So you just distribute the tokens, and even now, since the June 2022, we trade just like in a crazy range, like 1,000 days. I repeat, it's not a fad about the EOS. Nothing bad. For me personally, like any other token, EOS is just a speculative asset. It's just a token what we can trade, invest in, take a profit. At the end, guys, we are here for the money, for USD or for your fiat currency. At the end. What I don't like in this industry, it's all this fancy stories about we work hard on something, we build something. Let's support builders. Support builders for what? Guys, to put the price in invest in their project so they can distribute their backs on us like at exit liquidity. Guys, I don't understand this marketing campaign. Also, I showed you, if you're interested, you can go and double check the post, about this one. This article, you can read it. And for me, it's not so important, not so interesting. What is interesting is the chart. And I want to show you just a few metrics here. Market cap now 874 million, FDV 1.21 billion, 72 tokens unlocked. So basically this information now, it's the current one what we get about EOS. What's tokenomics, what the use case, what the utility, distribution, or maybe, I don't know, some lock time periods for next token. I have no idea what they have in mind. But I showed you the global chart, crypto, EOS crypto. Take a look. Since June 17, we're just, every single cycle, we're just in a downtrend. And after redemption, we will see another ticker, and there will be just a fresh beauty chart, right? To show the new users who just joined this market. So this is Vaulta, some brand new projects, so promising. You have to invest in, because this chart looks not so attractive. 100%. I believe it in a new high, not a new all-time high for EOS, right? You remember this one. I share with you this chart, I guess. on the Binance like, like a channel. So if we use it like a channel, it was, I don't remember exactly, might be the daily one. It's a line chart. Yes, this one. So here I mark potentially we can. Here was a top, here is a drop, equilibrium, consolidation here, touch again, and at least we should test $6 or this one, 12. So 12, I don't know, it's hard to say about the timing, right? So if it's a channel. I want to show you this one chart, global one, crypto is my customer set. So here let's go to the candles. So this like a magnet anyway will be like $3.71 test of this hypothetical downtrend line, because imagine after the 7 years we come back, even the 8 years we come back and grab liquidity of low of October 17. I have no words, guys. What exactly this guys work so hard last 8 years, so we dump it to the bottom. It's not about, EOS. A lot of projects do the same. So they promise you some random stuff. And charts never lie, guys. I'm like investor. I want to invest in that promising what you post on your website, on your vision, of this project. And I want to see the returns because I invest and I'm not a tech guy. I don't care about what you build, right? I never use in real life the EOS, right? Just only for crypto payments, for crypto transactions maybe. But I'd rather to invest in stable coins because it's stable coin, it's stable. And I don't want to invest in some assets and some startup which going drastically down. That's why that project post felt promising. Makes sense, right? So if this is a conservative price targets like $3.71, it's a test of the downtrend line. Mostly, yes, I believe we can go higher, like $15 with redenomination, with a brand new project or with current ticker. I have no idea, but yes, we can. So basically, it can be not some crazy gains, right? But it can be like 3,600. In this case, guys, you have to keep in mind, if we will see that move to $15, everybody starts screaming, we go to the moon because of EOS's future, blah, 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 brand new project, new vision, and all of this stuff, guys. It can be the trap. It can be the trap. So if you want to invest now, you can accumulate now around the historical all-time low. Can we drop lower? Of course we can. No makes sense to invest in some project at $8, at $10. So until we're under $1, it's okay to accumulate EOS. I hold the EOS. Yes, I'm in losses now. So anyway, I will wait 2 hours at the break even maybe, or I don't know, maybe hold it longer, right? We will see. Locally, guys, daily time frame here. This is a yearly open. I wish to see the BTC on the $80K. So I wish to see the EOS lower once again by end of March. So this is a monthly, it's 50 monthly open, 56 cents, 47, it's a weekly open, this is a yearly. So now we trade in this range. So technically, yes, if we will drop, it can be the actual lows, right? Like 40 cents or test 47 weekly open. A bullish targets, guys, so this is a yearly 77, liquidity pool $1.03, liquidity pool $1.55. So definitely. After that, this is the next one, liquidity pool $1.87 and monthly gap. So everything pretty simple, guys. But under 40 cents, it's just open space. Take a look. The lowest point was 40 cents, 0.69. Technically, yes, we can drop lower, but I wish to hold the line around this range. And of course, this is a bullish one. I would like to show you with indicator set. IDZ I can't show you because it's a global ticker. Yes, all this time periods is accumulation. It's accumulation. Yes, we're in disbelief, total disbelief, this capitulation. So technically, guys, it's a good time to buy. Yes, total depression, total capitulation on the monthly. But don't be trapped with that marketing moves when just because of liquidity start outflow from the BTC and the BTC dominance will go down, don't be trapped and don't believe that stories. So the EOS, when it will go higher, it's pumped because they work so hard. No, the EOS, like any other token, will go higher because of speculative side of the market and the liquidity inflow and outflow between the tokens, rotation, right, between the sectors. And definitely some liquidity, some money, cash flow, inflow into EOS also. But it's not because they work hard on something. No, just because of market nature, right? This was a money outflow on the monthly. This is money inflow. So the whales, yes, the whales accumulate because they understand that sooner or later they will speculate this token, bring the FOMO, bring the hype around the EOS, and this type of news, of course, it's just a part of the game. Weekly time frame here, money inflow was last time 52 cents, 53. Money outflow at $1, $1.53. Of course, they withdraw initial deposit. Pretty simple strategy, right? Now we trade around the bottom on the weekly, so soon we will see the money inflow, I guess, of this week or the next one after Fed decision rate. Trade on, buy, sell, drop, buy back, and no signal to buy, main one. Monthly, no signals, guys. Take a look, the last take profit indicator. Yes, we trade around fundamental value of the token here, tested the buy line. That's why I wish to see that. Hold the line here and not drop it so low. Buy line now it's 46.60. Take profit on the daily 92 cents. 12 time frame. This is what I would like to see. It's a test. 38. It's gonna be the best for me. It's gonna be the best entry, like 38 cents, 81. But it's not necessary, so they will give us this chance, right, to buy so low. And of course, the next step is here a yearly open 77 cents. So. Based on on today Fed rate decision, we can see something like this one. We're testing going higher. Also good one scenario. So guys, keep in mind historical low, another one at 38 cents. Not a low. Yes, low. Yes, going to be historical 38.69. And yes, we can go higher to this target is considered to price targets, and I believe yes, in theory we can be over than $15. Depends on the market condition and BTC. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about this rebranding of tokens. If you'd like to trade with my customer because I would show it in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.